Well, it certainly isn't feeling like the end of summer across our region. We are tracking an excessive heat warning across parts of our region, and it's part of a much larger area of heat alerts across much of the central U.S. Locally, we do have the excessive heat warning highlighted in the purpley pink color. The excessive heat warning is in effect from 11 a.m. this morning until about 8 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. Within the excessive heat warning, we could see heat index values between 110 and 115 degrees. Outside of the excessive heat warning, we could see heat index values between 105 and 110. That heat advisory is in place from 11 a.m. this morning until 8 o'clock Wednesday evening. Temperatures area-wide this morning are generally trending into the 70s and even some lower 80s. 79 coming in for Cape Girardeau, 79 for Dixon Springs and Carbondale, 80 for Paducah, 80 for Union City, and 75 for Elsinore. As we continue throughout the rest of our morning hours, we're likely still going to be into the lower 80s by about 8 o'clock this morning. We'll likely see 87 by 10 a.m. and then we'll likely see the lower to mid 90s by the time we make it to about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Locally, heat index values should top out between about 105 and 107, but area-wide, you can expect to see heat index values as high as 106 across Harrisburg, 111 across Carbondale, 112 across Cape Girardeau, 107 across Sykeston, and 111 for Kennett across southeastern Missouri. But heat isn't the only thing we are tracking. We're also tracking a couple chances for isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms later on this afternoon. We're likely going to see heat and storms continue as we go throughout the day tomorrow. A lot of us did wake up to a little bit of shower activity this morning. Not a whole lot of activity happening on the radar currently, but there is a complex of storms just off to our north. This is what we're going to have to monitor as we get into the afternoon and evening hours for our next chance of rain. So by 9 a.m., I think a lot of us are still going to be mostly dry. We're still going to be dry through the 12 o'clock hour this afternoon. And we are going to see the sun come out, which is going to help us warm up quite quickly across our region. We'll still be mostly sunny by 3 p.m., but as early as 6 or 7 o'clock, we could start to see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms start to form with the heating of the day. We will have to monitor these showers for the potential for one or two of them to be strong to severe. Now, overnight tonight, headed into tomorrow morning, we'll likely see a line of showers and storms develop. Now, where exactly this tracks is still uncertain, but we are likely going to see a line track from northwest to southeast. We'll likely see that line get out of here early tomorrow morning, and we'll be dry by 6 a.m. But throughout the day tomorrow, we could see several rounds of isolated to scattered shower activity, and in between each of those shower chances, we'll likely see the sun come out, and that will help the atmosphere to destabilize. Now, there is some disagreement with where exactly that line of showers and storms sets up. Here's one model, keeping it a little bit east of our area by 11 o'clock this evening. Another model, though, brings that line right over us at 11 o'clock on Tuesday night. So again, something that we're certainly going to have to keep an eye on. Level 2 risk for everybody today, with the exception of southeastern Missouri and a little bit of western Kentucky. They're still in a level 1 risk. Main hazards with that line are going to be some smaller hail, the potential for damaging winds, and torrential rainfall. There is a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, so if we do see showers run over each other, we're certainly going to have to monitor the potential for some flash flooding. Storm Track 3 app will be very helpful as we go throughout the next couple of days because we are tracking several chances for showers and very hot temperatures. Heat doesn't go anywhere tomorrow. We're talking about temperatures that will once again be in the mid 90s with heat index values tomorrow afternoon likely running between 110 and 115 for most of us. So again, that's why the excessive heat warning is still in place until tomorrow at 8 p.m. So 96 for today with a 30% chance of showers and storms, 95 for Wednesday, 97 for Thursday, 92 for Friday, 89 for Saturday, and 92 for Sunday.
Well, the heat is here.
Yes, it is. And
yeah,
it's here
we were
to
wondering.
stay.
All right. Thanks a lot, Garrett.